when I'm with you. I am able to keep pushing my limits and all the drive that I have.
Today I'm going to be doing a quick, well, kind of easiest, quickish demos of how to use the Young Nails brand new airbrush gun. There's a little layout here of what I'm going to be using to do them, and I have my little hand here just to use as well. I just did like basic little square nails as well because it can be used on short, medium. I'm just going to show you kind of what I need to obviously perfect this. Now I've already just prepped the nails like normal as you would, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to use then to obviously decorate these nails. So today I'm going to try give you a marble on the white nail, and I'm going to show you how you can do that using the black airbrush paint. So, and then on the other ones I'm going to do a few decorations, and I'm going to use the art screens. Obviously I just have here what I would seal mine with, which is the Ultimate Finish Gel from Young Nails. It's high gloss and I absolutely love it. I love this one, and I also love their new one, which is a stain resistant top coat. I looked at it, this is quite quick for me, and it obviously dries like, you know, just no tacky layer on top of it or whatever. And I have this little thing here which a lot of people use for acrylic to keep your monomer in it, but I'm actually going for the cleaning of your airbrush. It is so important to make sure that you're keeping this part of the airbrush clean at all times, well, as clean as you can. And obviously you're going to be wanting something that's quick and easy, and you don't want a chair. So because of this matter, one of the Young Nails girls, Kira, has given me a great tip that this can actually sit into this. So after I'm finished using all my paint, I will literally leave it in there, finish off before popping it into your gun. So I'm just going to pop a little bit of it in here. And I don't really need that much. So once I have it in, I'm going to press the gun on. This here is the spray, and I'm actually going to give you as an example even on my hand here. I have it at a nice one, so I've obviously just adjusted it here. Can you see? Yeah, I've just adjusted it here so that I know that it's at a perfect. Let's wipe that off a little bit. Sorry about the blue gloves, guys, because I don't have any in this one. But this does obviously go in your hand, so I would recommend that you wear gloves. It's easy to get off like for your client, but when it's all over you, you'd be like, and I'm going to lightly just start airbrushing. And because this is a double ombre, I don't have to be too, like, look how quick that happened. So I'm going to clean this up now in the gun. I'm going to rinse this out, and I'm going to use the red to go in darker. Use the gun real fast. It's just basically on your tissue. I'll have it run until there's nothing coming out of it. I'm going to put a drop of red on this now. The reds came through already. So I'm going to grab it again, already ombre, and I'm really going to concentrate just on this area here now. And give it like a light ombre on. And I am happy enough with that already. And just to clear the gun out again. And for doing this set, I cleared it out, as you can see. Just until it runs clear, because it's really important just to make sure you keep the gun clear. That's run clear now. Screw it off. Hope you can see this. And while I'm direct for this is when this part comes in handy, and I'm just going to steep it in that, let that clean itself out until I'm ready to use it again. So now I'm going to come across with my the art screen, and I'm going to use this guy here. So I'm literally going to paint hoping that you guys can see for this demo. Paint this on. Any nail varnish you can use in this, guys. I do have caption, but I have no idea where I put it, so I'm just using one of my Chanel nail varnishes. And basically just scrape it down and then print it across this again. And we are nearly done. Get that out of the way. Actually, do you know what? I'm going to actually show you how to clean this as well, because for too long it goes hard. So I just have a nail varnish remover with a little pad. Just give it a rub. The same with this guy, just give it a rub, and the card that you get with it. And this is the finished look. I will zoom in better when I have them all completed. I will take in a picture, but like that just turned out so fab. And I cleaned around the sides there, and I literally just used my little pads, popped it on a bit of my swipe, and I just literally cleaned all the way around, and it came off so quick. But that was it, guys. It's so fast, especially like you have to wait obviously to give it a few minutes to dry. It dries it like a couple of seconds or whatever to dry, should I say. But once you kind of are coming across and you're doing your nails with the ombres, by the time you come back to this one, it's already completely dried. But especially if you're doing a double ombre, I'd always recommend that you give that few extras to dry. But that is it complete, and I'm going to move on now. I am going to do, can I say? Yeah, I can see. I'm going to use my black one now, and I'm going to actually decrease this part of it so that it doesn't spray out as much on the nail. And I'm going to do an ombre. An ombre? Why am I saying this all wrong? First demo, guys. I'm going to do a marble. Just did the ombre. So yeah, I'm going to come along now, and I'm going to give this a shake again. Oh my god, I haven't even used the black yet. Just stick it down. Another shake. I always kind of like to leave it a little bit above it, so that if it does drip, you're not panicking, because it's falling onto the bottle. More to tighten it a tiny bit. If you go, let me think, clockwise, it tightens it. If you go anti-clockwise, I can't speak today. Anti-clockwise, oh my god, I can't say it. I need to take a minute. If you go clockwise, it tightens it. If you go anti-clockwise, it loosens it. So, yeah, I'm going to go clockwise and tighten it until I'm happy enough with that. Yep. I'm going to bring this out, and I'm going to give it a couple of... I don't want to give it too much. So I am happy with that, and I'll give it a little bit more there. And I'm going to get my tray, and mine is my nail art tray. I always get slagged for it because it's overused, but I don't care. I like it the way it is. I'm always getting told, why don't you get a new one? I'm like, no, I don't want a new one. I love this one. So I'll just have the brush just going to loosen it up a little bit. That's ready to go. Love a bit of the nail art painting. And then, now I don't normally do my art with gloves on, so this is going to be a first for me too. I might be like, oh my god, this is so bleeding easy. Like any of my girls who know the marble that I do, like the amount of dabbing that I have to do to get that like look, a blurred black on the back of it before I hand paint over it, and this is just like the airbrush gun, just had it done in seconds. I'm in shock here. Just joining the lines over each other to give a bit more of an effect. Is what makes us the women we are. But I am super happy with the way this is turning out, and like it's so easy. Oh my god, what a gem. And the brilliant thing is, because you haven't used much of the airbrush, it dries obviously so fast because it wasn't at a high speed. And the paint doesn't need that much either, because I literally paint where normally I have to wait at least like, you know, 2 to 5 minutes for that to dry before I can even attempt to gloss over, because I've used so much nail art paint, and the nail art paint can take a while to dry. But I know for a fact this is dry already, like, oh. So I'm just gonna gloss this up. Oh my god, I'm so super happy about how that has turned out. Damn! Okay, I'm gonna seal this and then I'm gonna show you what it's like again and continue on to the next one. Okay, so the marble one is finished and look at that. I am super happy with that. I'm actually over the moon. Like, you've seen how easy it was and how quick it was. I'm actually going to do all my marbles with like that effect now. And again, I will take a picture of them all later on. So this one now, hoping that you can see it properly, I'm going to try one of the effects that Greg actually did, and it's just the card trick. So basically you hold it, you spray it halfway up, you hold it this way, you spray it halfway down. So it's just a quick effect that I'm going to try do. It's simple, it's effective, it's super easy. Well, I'm saying that now. If this doesn't turn out, I'm going to delete this video and try something else. Yeah, so I'm just, you can see I have weight on me. I'm just after been trying to get the speed of the gun as well. And I just want to actually show you. And yeah, I'm happy enough with that. Wowzer! And then I'm gonna come back. Like, normally you're supposed to give it a couple of seconds to dry, but we do not have time for that. So I'm gonna try come straight the way back across. So look how cool this one turned out. Like, oh my god, absolutely loved it. I was trying out a few new tricks while I was waiting for it to dry, but look at how fab it is. It was so quick, it was so easy, so effective, like, and I'm just really happy with the outcome of that. Like, I know it's probably not as good as Greg's, but let's face it, like, he's like the king of nails. So yeah, so being a runner-up, I don't mind, but look how gorgeous that is. Like, move on to the last nail now, and I will be showing you how to do just a normal ombre white tip set, but well, a white ombre set, but I just kind of want to show you is how these can use the gun either. Like, I'm loving the marble, really impressed with this guy. So I'm going to show you how to do more ombres with this. I'm going to double ombre it. I'm going to do a bit of hand painting as well on this one, and then we're going to leave it here for today, but I will be back on. I'm going to show you a quick way demo of this colour and this colour. I'm going to do an ombre as I said, and I'm going to do a bit of hand painting. So make sure this is coming out. Like, look at that colour, it's so fab. So quick, my god. Like, so quick. Finish that colour. Clean this out while I give it to dry. Like, as I said, guys, like, normally if you're doing a full set of something or more than one nail, it's not obviously as time consuming. It's just obviously the one. And basically, like, I'm only learning how to do this as quick as you guys are. God, strip that loads there. Right, so I'm coming back in now with the dark colour. And again, wow, love that colour. I'm going to tighten this up a tinge because we don't want it to spray out too much. Oh, mammy, I love that. I'm just so impressed with this, I swear. Clean. And I'm going to go back over the middle part. I would do this even if I was doing a double ombre myself. So yeah. Don't have it out steep on that. I'm going to bring back across my little nail art tray, and I'm going to draw a bit, hoping that that's dry enough. On the bottom anyways, guys, and I'm going to be using my tin liner nail art brush, and I'm going to be using my little dotting tool as well. So I think that I am going to use white this time, if I can find it, just to show up the colours more. video of making a show me today. One-handed. Right. Again, I'm just gonna like loosen my brush up a little bit. Happy enough to go with that. Finished it up with that. Bring across it with my dotting tool. And I'm gonna add. I'm actually so impressed with how quick it dries. Ooh, so look at the effect of that ombre. Like, I do ombres all the time. Like, you would never ever get it to look so bleeding clean. Now I'm gonna give this a couple of seconds. I can hope you can see it. I'm gonna give it a couple of seconds to dry and just the nail art paint to dry. I'm going to do it on top of it, and I'm gonna gloss it, and I'm gonna come back down and I'm gonna show you them all together. All of this was done by the effect of the new Young Nails airbrush gun. Like, I'm just gonna put it in there that they actually have an open day in March. See you get things VAT free. Just putting it out there. The colour range that they have is unbelievable. Like, I've only showed you like black, green, blue, pink, red, white. They have gold, silver, yellow, orange. Like, they've so much purple. They've so many other colours. But I just thought today I'd do a simple square, show you a few effects that you can do with them, and look at the outcome of this. So impressed. Like, I will definitely do my marble like this for the rest of my life.